Let's walk through my DIY LARP Apothecary Kit. Here are some glass vials that I got from the dollar store that are perfect for this. I filled them with various spices that I already had around my kitchen, a couple that I picked up while I was at the dollar store. I like the difference in textures and colors, so I tried to get as much variation as I could. And I did a couple vials with some water and food coloring just to get that in there too. These are some little wood vials that I got at a craft fair, and I put some rock salt and fake reindeer moss in those because, you know, why not? Variation. This is a wooden box that I got at Michael's. I painted it myself and then dry brushed with black to give it some weathered look. And that's a sheet of fake moss that I glued to the bottom just so there's some padding. These little trays are perfect. I was so glad I found them. Look how perfectly the vials fit inside. I also got those at Michael's, painted them in the same brown color, and they are so good for storage and, you know, just to give a nice little uniformed look inside the box once everything is stored away. And watch this, they fit like a glove. I mean, it's just happy brain chemicals all around with how everything fits together. Beautiful. And we'll fill it with other stuff, like our little vials with the other components, and just another extra vial of oregano, I think. And we can't forget our mortar and pestle. I got this in a LARP box, but you can get them anywhere really. Another extra vial, and of course, a little knife, because, you know, you gotta be able to defend yourself when you're making some stuff.